Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to count vowels using Python. Open your terminal and type IPython and hit enter. First we will create a string which stores all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Now hit enter. Next type IP underscore string. In this string we will save the sentence. Hello, I am Gajesh. Now hit enter. Next type IP underscore str is equal to IP underscore str dot case fold. Next we will create a dictionary to count the vowels. Type count is equal to curly brackets dot front keys, open the bracket, vowels, comma 0. From key. Just change this to count is equal to curly brackets dot from keys vowels comma 0 and hit enter. Next we will count the vowels. Type for char in character IP underscore string colon if char in count in count colon enter count open the bracket char. Just edit there to 4. Enter. Now let's print what guys, here's the output. Now let's check it out. Print IPstr. Guys, here's the sentence. Let's check the E 1, 2 and 3. Now E 1, 2, yeah. I also 2 times. O is only 1 time. U is not there. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon to receive latest updates.